Car's very dirty, but spoiler is going to be coming on. I've wiped the surface as nice as I could, and going to put some duct tape on there, and we'll go from there. So measurement time. So this is the center. So we measured across, and then we measured this way, and that's the center. If I put this too far back, the gap between is massive, as you can see already. So there's a little gap there. So the more we push it back, the bigger the gap is. So just thinking of placing it here in the mid boot section. So this is how it would look. So yesterday I made these templates from just thin cardboard, and I just labeled it up, as in that side up, and these are the templates I'm going to use because I've drawn around that. What I'm going to do is just take that off, put this here, and we know exactly where to drill the holes according to this. And then same on the left side. That's the template for that side. All I done was put it on a piece of cardboard, that, and draw around it and label them, obviously, so we don't make a mistake. But anyways, at this point, the one that matches up all the way around it is the one. So I'm just gonna put a hole there, and we are done. So templates are done. We centered them as best we could, so it equaled to the same amount of space between sides and the top. So that should be all good, hopefully. Obviously I'm going to put holes in there, and then I'm going to put what's it called, double-sided tape, 3M on there, to make sure we don't get any water coming through the holes. And we're going to make the holes the exact length we need, and then I'm going to put a O-ring on the inside and the outside, so we stop water coming in. So that is time to drill. It's going to be hard. So first I'm going to do it with the smallest one. Oh shit, we did something. Oh shit. Hopefully we didn't go any through any wires. Nope, we did not. Yep, we've got two nice holes right there.
See, naturally is good. Exactly, it's coming same way.
Yeah, it is literally in the same place as well, isn't it?
Yeah, exactly same place.
Well done. You measured it, not me.
Yeah.
So this is the third bit that we're using. We used 4.5, 5, and now 6. Because we used the smallest one at the start because I just want to make sure that we're not making any mistakes. If it's too big, what am I going to do? But if it's too small, I'll just get another size bigger. So that's what we've been doing. And we've tried the screw and it's off by a few mil. So we'll try this one now. Now it is very, look, it doesn't go in, but if you screw it in, it's the exact right size. So you could just skip over to 6 if you've got the exact same screw, but if I was you, I'd just try them and try and get it as snug as possible, as we did. So there's no going back now. That's the aftermath of what we've done. So all done, and there's no sunlight through there and no sunlight through there anymore. There is a tiny little gap kind of by there, but I'm going to put some black silicone there and over there as well. So this is how I've done the inside. I put a little rubber washer there, but it's expanded, so I'm going to take that off one day and change it for like an O-ring. Maybe that will help. That one just burst out anyway, so got a little washer there. And yeah, 3M tape all the way around. Obviously you've seen the way that I've done it, and I'm really happy with it. So all complete.